Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Biscuit Kudu, a classic treat. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of plain flour, 4 fresh eggs, and half a kilogram of sugar, which is about 3 cups. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of fragrant ground cardamom and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Also, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 1 cup of milk, and a combination of half a cup of ghee or butter with half a cup of oil ready to go. Now, let's get to mixing our dough. Begin by combining the half kilogram of sugar with the 4 eggs, whisking them together until the mixture becomes lighter in color and well blended. Next, introduce the 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 1 cup of milk, and the half cup each of ghee and oil. Gradually add the 1 kilogram of flour and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, mixing until a cohesive and soft dough forms. This ensures a perfect base for your biscuits. With your dough ready, it's time for shaping and baking. First, prepare your baking tray by either lightly oiling and flouring it or by lining it with parchment paper. The traditional method for Biscuit Kudu involves using a classic meat grinder, often a size 10, to create their distinctive shape. Carefully place your shaped biscuits onto the prepared tray, ensuring they have a little room. Then, bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes until golden. Once your Biscuit Kudu are baked to perfection, it's time for the finishing touches. For a classic sugar-coated version, you can dip the warm biscuits into about 1 cup of sugar right after they come out of the oven. Some recipes also suggest adding a handful of raisins to the dough for a delightful variation. Let them cool completely on a wire rack to ensure they set properly. These delicious biscuits are wonderful served alongside a warm cup of tea or coffee, perfect for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.